Welcome, my dears. So, this is the training guide of our school of setif, and our training teacher, or sorry, our supervisor, Dr. Bojadar, as I do remember, sent it to us last year, and I think it is very useful, especially at the beginning if you wanna know what to do in each step. Okay, whether in the training copybook or in the training report. It describes each step in a detailed way. So this is the introduction, and here you can have the tips that you have to do or the things that you need to mention in the introduction, and you have the presentation of practical training, then phase of the course. So the first phase is the observation, and you have general observation, the training instruction, recommendations to trainees, documents for trainees. So it is described in a detailed way. Okay, then you have the alternate phase, that is the second phase. Also it is described in a detailed way. Then you have the full-time phase. Okay, here you have under this title pedagogical activities, administrative activities, etc. Then documents to carry out, that is the documents that the teacher should have or should carry always with him. And it adds some other informations or titles that you should know, and I think that you are not obliged to mention them in your training report or copybooks. It depends on your training teacher. For example, here what is required from the training teacher. As trainee, it helped us a lot, as it put us in the, let's say, in the situation. Okay, for example, what are the questions that you need to ask, etc. What are the things that you need to have and to pay attention to while let's say while doing your sessions in the training. Okay, so for appendix 1, so this one, it is a set of questions about the host school, and you need to answer it, and the administration is going to give it to you in a form of Word or PDF. And just here for pedagogical card, for those of middle school, it is okay, but for our case, you need to omit first AM and IS. You need to omit all this, and you have to write first IS, second IS, and third IS. Okay, you need to omit all the fourth how do we call it? Sorry, I forget how do we call it, but you need, let's say, the fourth line, or I lost the word. You need to omit all these one, okay? Since we have première année, deuxième année, et terminale. Then we have absence rate. So this one is going to be answered by the director or someone from the administration. Then we have, yeah, all these ones. This is observation grid of the classroom activity. This one is going to be answered by the trainee, that is you, while doing the observation phase. Okay, also the administration will send it to you